this is the makeup look that I'm doing today. I'm kind of going to walk you through it, but I'm not going to talk during the video. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to first start off with priming my face with my basic moisturizer that I use. I use this pretty much every day just so that then I can get a solid base for my foundation to lay on without having that go too deep into my pores. Next, I'm going to apply cream concealer to the underneath part of my eye just to kind of cover up those dark circles from not getting enough sleep. I also put it where I think I need it. And then I'm going to also go in with my foundation right after that. Taking a wet beauty blender, just kind of dab it on my face and really just work it in there. One thing that I'm also very careful about is to make sure that I do blend my foundation in with my neck, just so then it's not as harsh of a line. Now once I'm done with that, I am going to take a very light kind of foundation and use that as sort of a highlight, but first I put it on the back of my hand and use the same brush that I used for my concealer. Just applying it to the highest points of my face to get that illuminated look. The next thing that I'm going to do is take my powder contour kit. It is in the lightest shade that I can find because I am cheap. And I'm just going to use my fluffy brush and kind of just put it all over my face. Y'all know what to do. My next step is to bake my face using baby powder. Some people say that it's not as good, but I find that it works just as well as regular translucent powder. I'm going to go in with my matte palette and do my lids. First and foremost, I am going to prime my eyelids so that then the eyeshadow will stay on longer. Just using basic cream concealer. After that's done, I am going into my Matte Neutral palette by Ulta Beauty, and I am going to just start applying it with a fluffy brush, choosing that color right there to use as my base color. I will start off with a very light shade just to build up my crease color. This is a base color for the crease, but yeah. I also found out that none of my clips recorded after this, so here is a small video of me sitting down while I hold my eyeliner. That's what the final eyeshadow look is going to look like. So now taking my eyeliner, I'm going to do a basic cat eye, just so that then it's kind of more prominent from my eyelashes. I do have naturally long eyelashes, but for this video I believe I am using falsies. Going back in with that cream contour or cream concealer kit, I am going to sharpen up those wings just a little bit to make them more precise. After that, I'm going to go right into curling my lashes and applying mascara to them. guess we're not using falsies, so I guess we're going right into the brows, using that brow wax to stiffen and keep those weirdo hairs in place. After applying the wax, I do brush them out fairly well, just so that then I can have the brow hairs aligned perfectly to keep that shape of the arch itself. I am going in with a lighter shade of powder just to kind of define where my eyebrow starts right before it goes into the arch. I also like to have these brows be as perfect and as full looking as they can be. The next thing that I'm going to do is fill in my brows, or really work the arch, with this brow pencil and my brow defining brush. Oh honey, just work those. Next, I am going to just highlight my brow bone, just kind of make it more prominent. And using the same highlighter to really just do it all over my face, because the other highlighter that I had did not match this look. Now for the lippies, I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty, kind of like a maroon, dark red color. It's very cute, and yeah, you can just watch me put it on because I don't know how to describe this stuff. Alright, kids and squids, this is what the look is. I hope you really enjoy, and let me change real quick for you.
So this is the look that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good enough.